Perfect when you have the family round, this Beko electric cooker has everything you need to boil, roast and cook all the ingredients for a Sunday dinner. With steam cleaning, simply pour some water into a tray and the steam will soften burnt-on food, grease and debris, which makes cleaning and maintaining the oven cavity easy. With the fully programmable LED display, you can start cooking at a time that works best for you. Simply preset the time and perfectly plan your meal in advance. Ideal for helping busy parents get on top of hectic dinner times. The large capacity gives you plenty of space with a 69-litre fan oven and a 36-litre conventional oven, so you'll enjoy the flexibility to cook large meals effortlessly, great for when you have family and friends over. Explore a world of flavour and cook mouth-watering dishes with this sleek electric cooker from Beko.